how to use 3 different game booster shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up Gaming Hub. Then tap on the More button, and from the pop-up, tap on Game Booster. In the Game Booster settings, if you go down, you can see there are 3 different shortcuts available: Shortcut Bar, Shortcuts, and Floating Shortcut. Now, each one of these offer different functionality. So if I turn on Shortcut Bar, then if I tap on the back key, now if I launch a game such as Fortnite game, you can see on the side here there is a small bar. If I swipe in, this will open up the shortcuts panel, and from here I can start screen recording or take a screenshot or open up the shortcut pop-up panel. So that is the shortcut pop-up panel that allow me to quickly access certain apps in here. I can also lock the navigation. So here I've got the touch protection. I can turn on touch protection. So whenever I touch on it, nothing happens. It is touch protection. So that is the shortcut panel. And then the other options. So I'm going to swipe here, and then I'll tap on settings. And then in the game booster settings, we'll take a look at other shortcuts option. So that is the shortcuts bar. If I switch it off, then I will have shortcuts. I can assign shortcuts such as touch protection, navigation button lock. Now with the shortcuts, there is only one item, so I can only use one item at a time. So either touch protection, navigation button lock, screenshot, pop-up panel, record, or none. So if I select record, then go back in here. Now you can see here when I swipe in on the side, it only shows me the Game Booster shortcut in the navigation bar. However, I'm unable to use that shortcut. That shortcut is only available if your navigation button has been set to swipe gesture. So here, in order for us to use that features, we need to go into settings. So in settings, scroll down, then tap on display, and then in here we will switch the navigation bar. So we switch the navigation bar to swipe gestures. Now if I go back into my game, and to open up the shortcut, just swipe in on the side here, and here you can see I can tap on the record button to start screen recording. I can change that, so I can change that to open up to take a screenshot. So here I will tap on the Game Booster shortcut, go into settings, and then I will change the shortcut to screenshot, and then I'll go back. And this time if I swipe in on the side, you can see it shows the screenshot shortcut. So in order for the shortcut to be revealed, we need to swipe in on the edge here, and that will offer the shortcut for you to tap on, or the Game Booster icon. Okay, so that are the 2 shortcuts available. And the last shortcut are the floating shortcuts. Floating shortcuts will be available both on the swipe gesture and buttons navigation. So here I will set floating shortcut to say record, and the other shortcut will be set to screenshot. So let's go back to the game. So you can see here the floating shortcuts at the top. It is a floating shortcut. You can move it around the screen. So here I can tap on the floating shortcut to start recording my screen, or I can swipe in to take a screenshot. So those are the 3 different shortcuts available for you to use in Game Booster. And that's it. So hopefully you find one of the shortcuts will be useful for you to use during game. For example, if you want to use the shortcut to take a screenshot of your gameplay, or you want to record a small clip of your gameplay, you can do so using the shortcuts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.